Hello traders! Today we're going to talk about repainting indicators and how to detect them using the strategy tester in the MetaTrader 4 platform. Indicator is repainting when its past values are changed as new candles arrive. First, let's open the strategy tester. Make sure you have indicator selected as we want to test an indicator. Now select the indicator from the list. We'll go with the beginner indicator as it's a nice example of repainting indicator. You change the currency pair you want to backtest on, but any pair should be fine. We've set it to Euro USD here. It's usually best to set the time frame to 1 minute, but 5 minutes works fine here as well. You can set the model to every tick or open prices only. If set to every tick, you need to fast forward to the test. Open prices only works well for beginner backtest. Dates don't matter here, so you can leave them alone, or you can set whatever you want there. You can also change the indicator properties if you want, but that makes little sense in this backtest. Now we're ready to click Start. So the backtest begins. Let's slow it down a bit. As you can see, red and blue dots appear and disappear even after a few candles have appeared after them. The indicator just keeps changing its signals as new data arrives and the past signal stops looking good. But if you look at the past historical signs, they look perfect, very accurate. Okay, let's stop this test and try another repainting indicator. Let's go with the center of gravity. It's a great indicator, but it repaints, and it's important to understand that it repaints if you're going to use it. Here we go. You can see the lines shifting, changing their direction. The width of the bands is changing too, getting wider or narrower as the candles arrive. Center of gravity is an amazing indicator for showing the trend direction and volatility, but you should never use it to take trading signals. It'll just ruin you. So that's all about verifying repainting indicators in MT4 Strategy Tester. Thanks for watching, and good luck.